Assalamu alaikum 3 class. We are reading unit number 5, the environment, and today's topic is very important. Protecting the environment means how we can protect our environment. And जिस तरह से हम अपने environment में रह रहे हैं, तो हमें अपने environment को protect करना है. तो how we can protect it? So start the reading. There are several things that can be done to protect our environment. He's saying that we can done a lot of steps to protect our environment. How? Keep the earth clean. We should keep our earth clean. Second one, keep water clean, because water is very essential part of our environment. Clear? So keep the earth clean. Many things live and grow on the earth. You know that very well. We are living on earth. Many animals are living on earth. Lots of plants living on earth. You can say that the जो ज़िंदगी है हमारी, वो सारी की सारी हमारी एनिमल्स की, प्लांट्स की, वो ज़मीन के ऊपर है. वी आर लिविंग ऑन अर्थ, सो वी शुड कीप द अर्थ क्लीन. हमारी अर्थ को बहुत ज़्यादा नीट एंड क्लीन होना चाहिए. इफ़ आवर अर्थ इज़ क्लीन, नीट एंड क्लीन, वी कैन लिव easily, we will be healthy. And if the earth is not clean, it is polluted with different types of things, so we cannot live easily. Clear? For them to survive, the earth needs to be kept clean. और हमारे रहने के लिए अर्थ को बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीन होना चाहिए. If the earth becomes polluted, trees and plants will not be able to grow. You know that if the earth is not polluted, if the earth is polluted, अगर हमारी जो अर्थ है वो बहुत गंदी हो जाती है, तो प्लांट्स और ट्रीज़ तो उगेंगे नहीं. प्लांट्स और ट्रीज़ को तो एक प्रॉपर इन्वायरमेंट चाहिए ग्रो करने के लिए. Human need trees and plants to produce oxygen that we breathe, and you know very well that we breathe with the help of oxygen, and we get this oxygen from the plants. If the plants and trees are not on the earth, how we can get the oxygen and how we can survive on the earth? So, and we should keep our earth very clean. Humans also need plants for food and trees for shelter. We need plants to get our food. We eat many plants, and trees are used for our shelter. So we should keep our earth very clean so that we can survive on the earth easily. Second one, keep water clean. We should keep our water clean because we drink water in daily life, so the water should be very clean so that we can survive easily. Clean water is essential for humans. We need to drink clean water. We cannot digest the salty water, we cannot digest the dirty water, so we have to drink fresh water and clean water so that we will be healthy. We also need to keep bodies of water clean so that fish can live and grow. And जो वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं जिसमें फिशेस और दूसरे एनिमल्स रहते हैं, उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा नीट होना चाहिए, क्लीन होना चाहिए, बिकॉज फिश इज़ आवर पार्ट ऑफ फूड. क्लियर? थर्ड वन, कीप द एयर क्लीन. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ह्यूमन नीड टू breathe in clean air. If the air is not clean, human may become ill and even die. You know that we breathe in the air. जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो हम एक हवा में सांस लेते हैं. इफ़ द एयर इज़ नॉट क्लीन, तो क्या होगा कि अगर हम लोग जो है हम गंदी हवा में सांस लेते हैं, तो हम जब ब्रीथ इन करेंगे तो हम उस डर्टी एयर को अपने अंदर इनहेल करेंगे. देन वी इनहेल द डर्टी एयर, वी विल बी इल and even we can die. Definitely we will be die. Other animals also depend on the fresh air. जो बाकी के एनिमल्स हैं, जो बाकी के प्लांट्स हैं, उनको भी एक फ्रेश वाटर के अंदर फ्रेश एयर के अंदर सर्वाइव करना आसान हो जाएगा. सो don't pollute the air. You know that we have made a lot of factories, lot of chimneys, so the smoke of chimneys and factories pollute our air. So we just have to clean it. हमें इस तरह की जो फैक्ट्रीज हैं जो धुआं देती हैं, उनको कंट्रोल करना चाहिए. Dear students, there are some questions. Answer the question. Why is it important to keep the earth clean? B, keep the water clean, and C, keep the air clean. This is the topic today you have to learn. So learn it very carefully, and related questions are given to your notes. Learn them very carefully. Thank you so much.